been a hot little minute since I showed my face on camera. Feeling so much better, so much better. But anyways, enough about me. Good morning. I'm so happy to see you guys. I am on my way out the door and I am itching. Hi, good morning, baby. Oh, I love it. You. I know, you're so beautiful. Okay, guys, so I'm itching to do a project in my home. I'm just itching to do a project. I get like that sometimes. This table right here is not gonna stay here. It was just a test to see if I could create a coffee bar or coffee station, drink station, whatever you want to call it, right here. Let me fix my hair. It's looking pepper. But Rob said it's too big for the space because I have the table right here, and he said it's too big for the space. So I was like, okay, what if I find a smaller table and a smaller table, a smaller round table for the eating area and a smaller console table for my coffee bar. Is that okay? And he said, fine, go for it. But I love this table. I think it's beautiful. And it belongs in that space over there. But I feel like you don't see it. Like, it's a beautiful table for it to be hidden. I feel like you don't see it over there. That's why I wanted to put it here, because when you walk through the door, it's the first thing you see, and it's beauty. Anyways, I also want to shiplap this wall, and I also want to make over my island, because when they installed the new countertop, they ripped the trim and piece off, and you can see the brown cabinet underneath that I painted. So I want to get rid of that look, and my brain is spinning, so I need to get out of my brain and put all my ideas into action, if that makes any sense. Good morning. I am so excited to be, I don't know if I'm back, I don't know what this is, but I feel better, you know what I mean? And I feel like now that I'm in a good headspace and I'm not so negative anymore, I can come on here and share the things that I love with you guys. So with all that said, let's go to Home Depot. Lowe's, Rob is a Lowe's guy. I am a Home Depot. You can trash it, baby. I am a Home Depot girl. I just feel like they have more selection than Lowe's. So let's go to Home Depot. Hi, guys. I'm waiting for Jordan to bring in the trash bin in front of the house. Put that back. Put that back. Put it back. I'm sorry. He frustrates me so bad. He's like, his mind is just, if you don't tell him exactly what to do, he just, common sense is just not common with my love bug. I love him dearly, but also I'm sitting here waiting for him so he can go in the house, because I'm very overprotective of him, and I don't want him out here by himself, because, you know, never know. I don't like leaving him. Just, Rob is like, he'll ask to go ride his bike, and Rob is like, let him go. And I'm like, no, around the neighborhood. But I'm like, no. So that's why I'm sitting here waiting. But I'm gonna go put my music on and get on the road. Okay, so I have plenty of options when it comes to the board I want to use for the board and batten. I could use plywood and have them cut it down, but that's too much. Or I could use these bender boards. Or I could use real shiplap. So let's go find that. So they don't have what I came for, but I have a spot in my backyard that's in dire need of attention, and I'm I need to plant a garden. Why? I should probably just go home and but I can't waste my gas. The roses are 50% off, so picked up some mulch, topsoil, I need some steak. I need to go get some steak, but It's so pretty. I'm obsessed with roses. I feel like I should get a red one, but I'll come back. So, all done. Got my plants loaded up back there. The reason why I was so pressed to do something is because we had $100 left over from the budget from last paycheck, and everything went into savings, and it was an extra $100 that we ended up with. I don't know if because we didn't eat out as much, so it was an extra $100, and I was like, we could throw it into the house or put it in savings. And my plan was to put it in savings, but I was like, there's so much stuff that needs to be done around the house. We have so many projects inside and out. And I was like, it's just a little $100. Let me try to knock something out. I didn't find the boards that I was looking for the project inside. So I was like, let me throw the $100 outside. And there's a bald spot in the backyard from the fence, the dirt from the fence, that when they put in the fence, the dirt sat and the grass didn't grow back. So I was like, let me just create a little garden, that way it's pretty and there's something for me to tend to in the backyard. But anyways, needless to say, I don't know what I'm doing, so let's go home and jack up our garden. All right, so your girl's home. Got everything here. I got one flower. It was 50% off, so I think it was like $24. These were $12 a piece. I only got 2 for right now. And then I got ground coverage. They were $6 a piece. Got 3 bags of mulch, 2 bags of topsoil, some grass killer fabric, and the stakes to drop them down in the ground, and this little butterfly. Isn't it adorable? This is my garden over here, like my vegetable garden. Guys, look, I have 2 peppers. I think they're almost ready to be picked because they're weighing down this tree. And cucumber, zucchini, my tomato, and and then I have this guy. Maddie picked him out. So this one is stronger than this little butterfly guy. This was $7, but it's so pretty. So this is a patch of grass. We distributed the dirt all over the backyard, and we were left with this. Nothing's gonna grow here, I don't think. So I'm like, okay, what do? I could seed it, then not just be boring. So I'm just gonna create a little circle and just plant pretty things that go our fireplace. Then I'm gonna have a walkway leading down to here, and then we're gonna redo the fireplace, and then there's gonna be a lower deck here. This is where Ryan Home put down seeds 3 years ago. This is how patchy it is. 3 years later, the grass is still struggling to grow, so I don't want to mess with that. So let's plant some rose and bushes. Cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger. Okay, guys. But don't you try to call me. All done. I need a border. I just don't know what I'm gonna do, but this turned out amazing. Only took me 2 hours to get it done, and I need something else for back here. Something like these. I should purchase one more so I could put it back here so that it's visually pleasing to the eye. But you gotta start somewhere. But it looks good. So I'm just gonna go water everything. Let me show you guys from a close up. That's it. All right, so, or maybe can't get any close. That's it. But looks good. I'm gonna water those and then head to the store to go pick up dinner. And then tomorrow I might figure out the border, but that looks pretty. I love it. Okay, so I'm all done in the backyard. Mr. Albornoz called me and said that he wants to put some burgers on the grill, even though we had that yesterday for dinner. But it's a beautiful day outside. The toddler wants to tag along, so I'm going to take her. And the older kiddos wants to stay at home. So I'm going to go to the grocery store and pick up. You can close it. Oh, another thing is, I still have Maddie in her, ooh, fly. There's a fly in my truck. I hate when fly come inside. So I still have Maddie in her 5-point.
Wait, Mom, I'm actually gonna tell, okay?
Are you ready?
I'll come real quick.
All right. Well, Destiny's joining us. But I still have baby girl. Come on, put your belt on. I still have baby girl in her 5-point, and I don't want to switch it out no time soon. But Rob is like, it's really bulky, so he's like, you know, wanting to put her in a, because she will be 5 this year. Come on. Wanting to put her in a toddler seat, and I just don't feel like that's safe, you know what I mean? She's so tiny. She's really tiny. And but comment down below and let me know at what age did you put your kids in a booster seat and what weight, because she's tiny. She just hit 40 pounds. So she, you know, in between 39 and 40-ish. So she's really tiny. So I know it's based off of their weight and not so much their weight and their height and not so much their age. But anyways, I'm rambling.
My heart is at war with my thoughts. Oh, and I don't know which side is better. I try to connect all the dots. Oh, to let you in behind my shelter. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper plate? You said,
Mr. Rob said he wanted the good bread for burger, so I picked up. This is the sesame, and I also picked up the onion with poppy seed. Can't go wrong with that. And I'm feeling for some ice cream. Say hello to my friend. I'm breaking out. Come on, Leah. I'm ready to go home. I haven't had nothing to eat all day. It's after 2 o'clock. I need to eat though. I'm back. Where's my cheese? Got me my cheese. Got me my cheese. Me my cheese. I'm hungry. And I got a Diet Pepsi from the pack I just bought. Cause I ain't paying $1 for $1 something. But, don't worry, just sanitize my hand. Oh, block of cheese a day. Keep the stress away. No. I was gonna go to Lowe's to look for something for the garden thing, but it's $2.20, and I don't feel like stopping. But I just want to eat my cheese.
Can't open it.
Yeah, I'm not eating.
No, I mean nothing.
What? I didn't open it.
Oh, good.
Pick the wrong one.
You
just picked the wrong one.
Yeah, back on? All right. Okay.
I'm ready to go.
I'm ready to go too. I don't know why.
You're eating cheese?
This dry ass cheese. Okay, that's enough. Ugh. That is enough. I think I bit off way more than I can chew. Okay, that's enough. What do I do with this? You like cheese?
I don't.
You don't like cheese? That's because you're weird.
It's yummy.
It's so cold.
It's yummy.
It's sharp, white, extra sharp. All right. I am full. That's a meal. Let's go home and get these burger fixin' cut up. Okay, so Daddy Rob's home and we're just hanging out in the backyard. He's on the grill, and this is what the flower bed looks like from here. So I'm excited. It turned out good. And my friend right here is just like getting bigger by the second. But I'm excited to give you guys this vlog today because it's just been a lot of changes, and it's just so much, you know. And I know God is turning around my situation for me. It's been 3 years since I've lived here, and this year has been the only year that I ever felt like this is home, like, you know, where I belong. I always felt so out of place, and a lot of it had to do with, you know, the bad blood between me and the neighbors. And, you know, thank God a lot of them moved out. A few of them sold their houses. Practically everybody's like gone except for the one beside me. But it's just trying to sink into not wanting to get to know anybody else around me, like the new neighbors. I don't want to get to know them. I don't want to, you know, go introduce ourselves. I don't want to do any of that because I don't want anyone to get close to us. And I know that's not a good enough reason to be, you know, not neighborly, if you will, but I don't want problems. Like, I just want to come and go and do things to my house and just be left alone. That's all I ever wanted from the moment I built this house, was just to be left alone. So I'm thankful, and I thank God every day for, you know, stuff changing and people, you know, going their separate ways, you know, from me, and, you know, growing. Hopefully where they are, they're settled and at peace, and, you know, yeah, so hopefully I can come on here and just be me, the Janice that you know, the Janice, Janice, or Jace that you guys know, and just, you know what I mean? So anyways, Hubby's making burgers. He's gonna put burgers on the grill, and we're just gonna hang out. We're supposed to go to the gym, but that's not gonna happen. But I'm just gonna go edit this little video and try not to be the most. And I'll see you guys in my next one. I'm coming back. Oh, I forgot to show you guys my new tattoo. I'm gonna turn the camera on and show you guys more in details. But I drew it and Rob put it on me. He tattooed it on me, and it has such a special meaning. One is because I designed it, and two, because Daddy Rob put it on me. Thank you, honey. Because I drew it and he put it on. So you're fine. It's healing now. Yeah, it's healing now, but it just means I am. Oh, there go Rob. He put a money bag on his
little man,
his knee. But this just means I am a Christian survivor of depression, suicide, and what else? Something else. Mental illness. So that's what that means. So yeah, I like it, and it's healing nicely. And hopefully I'll let Daddy Rob put something bigger on me.
I will. I'll put something way bigger on you.
Okay. All right. We gotta go. Okay. So dinner's done. There go our sausage. Our jalapeno from the garden we grilled. Rob tried it. It's really good. And then got burger, his chorizo. I cut up some lettuce, tomato, onion. I like mambo sauce with my burger, and Maddie like mustard with. And Rob likes mayo.
I love mayonnaise.
Mayo chop. And he's gonna grill the bun. So it's all ready. This is dinner. I just wanted to show you guys. Yeah. Bye guys.
Turn